Here's a recipe for really any type of muffin that you want to make. I'll put the recipe at the end. There's 2 cups of flour, half a cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, and mix that all together. You just want to make sure the salt and everything's incorporated into it. 2 eggs, but if you don't have eggs, you can use a tablespoon of vinegar and a teaspoon of cornstarch and substitute for each egg. So I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, and just mix it well so that it's all mixed in there. And now we use milk powder. If you do a lot of baking, this is a lot cheaper, and it works in any baking thing that I've done. I'm adding a half a cup of butter. If you don't have butter, you can do a half a cup of lard, and you'll crumble that into the flour. And I'm just making sure it's mixed well. I'm going to add bananas to this. You're just going to cut off the real soft parts there. But you can make chocolate, peanut butter, blueberry, literally any kind of muffin with this recipe. Anything you want to put in it. So I'm going to mash up the banana and add it in there. And here I forgot to add a teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm just going to make sure it's all mixed up good. And it's going to be a really thick batter. And I'm just going to grease up the muffin tins with lard. You can use shortening or spray or buy the muffin cups if you want. The only thing with lard is you probably going to have to grease your tin with every batch of muffins. I'm going to put about 2 spoonfuls of the batter in each tin. You want it to be a little over halfway full of the batter to get a nice sized muffin out of it. And here's how I bake. It's a Coleman camp stove. It's small, but you can fit, basic small sized ovenware in there. And I'm going to check. You want to check these after 15 minutes. And then if they're not done, the toothpick doesn't come out clean, do an additional 2 minutes. You can see here they're really good. It's a dense muffin, but these are going to be really good. And here's the recipe if you want to screenshot that. But if you have small kids and you need to make, or you want to make stuff for them to snack on, and you don't want the processed stuff from the store, this is a really good alternative for you. If you make them, let me know in the comments how they turned out. Thanks for watching.